Have you been asked to find a journal article that uses a particular type of research? Most research falls into two broad categories, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative research is concerned with observing and analysing human experiences, attitudes and behaviour. The goal of this research is usually to explore or enhance our understanding of a human phenomenon or situation. Methods of data collection can include observation and recording, interviews and focus groups. Data might be words, behaviours or other information which can't be captured in numbers or statistics. Rather, data is organised into patterns or themes. An example of qualitative research study might be a series of interviews to investigate whether people's perceptions of climate change are influenced by the media. Quantitative research explores data that can be expressed using numbers. The goal is usually to answer questions starting with what, when, where, or how much. This research is often used to test a hypothesis or to study cause and effect relationships. Methods of data collection can include surveys, rating scales and measuring instruments. The researcher then uses mathematical and statistical analysis to draw a conclusion. An example of quantitative research might be a statistical analysis of food crop production to measure the impact of climate change. Some research projects will use a mixed methods approach with a combination of qualitative and quantitative research. An example of this would be an online survey that measures rates of domestic recycling but also asks open-ended questions about attitudes towards recycling. To locate studies that use a particular type of research, include the research type as one of your search terms when searching in Primo Search or a database. For example, your search might be for climate change, quantitative. Use double quotation marks around climate change to make it an exact phrase and connect these two terms with the Boolean operator AND in capitals. Generally, a journal article will say in the abstract what research method has been used. If it doesn't, look for a section of the article that outlines how the data was collected. The library also has many resources about types of research. You can find them using Primo Search and the Sage Research Methods database. To recap, qualitative research uses words to explore human experience. Quantitative research uses numbers and statistical analysis to test hypotheses and study relationships between variables.